let's learn how you can fix unable to authorize TikTok error. So first step is to open your settings application. Now you want to scroll all the way down and click on apps option, then scroll again and find TikTok. Now click here and it will open you TikTok settings. What you want to do here, you want to enable local network, live activities, and background refresh. So enable these things. Of course, you can enable everything right here if you need to use it on TikTok, so it won't damage anything. Now try again, and if still doesn't work, you may want to go to general, go to iPhone storage, then click on TikTok and just click on upload the app. Now accept right here. So what will this do is to reinstall the application and it may fix the problem now. So what else you can do is to check a software update. It may help. And one last thing you can do is to go to App Store. Here you want to go to search and write TikTok and check if you need to update it. As you can see here, it may be problem due some old update, and after update it will be fixed. One last option is to force restart entire iPhone. So how do you force restart an iPhone? You basically want just to hold volume up, then volume down, and then hold power button or lock button, so iPhone will shut down itself and Apple logo will appear. You will hold until that Apple logo appears, and that will force restart your phone. And that's it. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.